In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 800072EFE on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. Now, after running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, do not forget to restart by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Yes for the user account control. And you'll find these commands in the description box below. Simply copy each command one by one. Control C to copy, and then control V to paste, and then copy the second command, the third command, and then until you can get into the net start crypt svc to start the service again or to restart. And then once you're done, just simply type exit in the command prompt window, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. And the last thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type services, hit enter. Scroll down to the Windows Update service. You'll find that. Right click and then go to Properties. Make sure this is automatic, so click on Start to make sure this is running. Apply and then OK. And after doing so, that's it. And again, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.